KTN.
The death toll from last evening's bus accident at Mamboleo along Kisumu-Kakamega Highway has now reached 26 after more people died overnight. 28 people who are injured are still awaiting surgeries, expected to be concluded by midnight tonight. And as Bramwell Bwere now reports, post-mortem examinations of the bodies expected to be completed by Monday.
A somber mood continues to engulf Kisumu City following Friday's evening horrific crash that claimed 21 lives on the spot. Hospital authorities have confirmed that the death toll has reached 26 after 5 more victims succumbed to injuries while undergoing treatment at Jaramogi Oginga Odinga Teaching and Referral Hospital. At the Referral Hospital Traumas Ward, we meet survivors, many bandaged and bruised, lying in narrow beds, their faces pale with pain. Families of the deceased who are part of the 54-member group traveling from a burial ceremony in Kisumu West are still in shock. They are yet to come to terms with what exactly happened.
Mama yangu baba yangu ngine amekufa, wote wako kwa mchari. Kaenda kuangalia mama yangu, hapa sikumpata, nikaambiwa niende mchari nitafuta. But ilikuwa painful.
The government has announced it will cover all medical, mortuary and burial expenses for the victims.
We have come up with 3 committees now. One is the medical committee. The medical committee is going to take care of, to make sure that all the patients that we still have get the interventions today.
But beyond grief and mourning, there is a growing public outcry over what many describe as a death trap. The Coptic roundabout has over the years hit the headlines for frequent accidents, with local residents and motorists calling for urgent redesign and safety interventions.
Something be done on this road, because our researchers have said the road was badly done.
The roundabout next to Coptic has been a disaster to our members of Kisumu County.
As investigations into the cause of the accident continue, pressure is now mounting on both county and national governments to address what appears to be a structural and traffic management crisis at this hotspot. Bramwell Bwere, KTN, Kisumu.
AMREF organization has revealed